Hi guys and welcome. Today, as you can see, I will be dealing with this mess. I have undecorated all the Christmas stuff and just didn't get around to redecorating it back to normal life, and like things just got out of hand. So I will be cleaning it and then I'm going to be decorating it just for more of a everyday look that I'm going for. So let's get started.
I'm starting off with tidying up this mess. I have been so busy working on all the things and I have fallen behind with daily tasks. And this quarantine makes me so unmotivated. But doing these videos gets my butt in gear, and slowly, room by room and space by space, I am getting things done.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide.
Once I was done tidying and putting some clean laundry away, I stripped my bed and added clean sheets on. We don't do flannel, even though it gets really cold here and during winter, and I generally run hot and can't stand being hot when I sleep. So before I add any decor, I have to have my bed made. It kind of sets the tone for my room.
Carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is.
All of my sheets and bedding come from Home Sense. The headboard, I know somebody will ask because someone always asks, is actually came from reclaimed materials. Timeless Treasures, is the store called here in Waterloo region, and it is just old barn board, and they pre-treat it so that way you don't have to worry about bugs. And my husband just screwed it to the wall, and then he made the base for our mattress because our mattress is a touch bigger than a standard mattress. We have been obsessed with these blankets. I have originally purchased one for my Christmas decor, and then now have purchased several of them. They're just so cozy, and I love having them on my bed for my afternoon weekend nap. That way I don't mess up my bed, and they just feel so nice and cozy. Now I move on removing all the remaining decor off and dusting all the furniture. I will be going through my decor and replacing items that don't bring me joy with some new decor pieces. They're new decor pieces to this room because unfortunately I can't go shopping because none of the stores that carry home decor are open, and I like to see things before I buy them.
Do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. I feel it in my bones like you'll come along now. Baby, you coming through. Do what you gotta do. Take it to the big scene. Take it all. Go for hope and glory. Go long. Baby, for
If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. My name is Sonja, and you're watching my home channel where I share cleaning and decorating of my home and any type of organization that comes with my home. I also have a DIY channel and a cooking channel, and the links are down below. And if you want to stay current with all the happenings, upcoming videos, announcements, and challenges, collabs, make sure you are following along on Instagram as well, where I post all those updates regularly.
what you gotta say. Say what you gotta say. Take it to the big scene. Take it all. Go for hope and glory. Go long. Baby, for love. Go all for love. We're going for love. For beating hearts off the charts. Love. Go all for love. We're going for love. Baby, going for love. Baby, for love. Take it to the big scene. Take it all. Go for hope and glory. For beating hearts off the charts. Take it to the big scene. Take it all. Go for hope and glory. For beating hearts off the charts. I bet you'll come around, but don't get me wrong. Do what you gotta do. Baby, for love. Go all for love. We're going for love. For beating hearts off the charts.
I feel like I have mentioned this before, but I will be redoing this little vanity because the white is just not working for me. And I was just wondering, do you guys have any recommendations what I should paint it with, what color, or what I should do to it? Let me know down in the comments, please. So here's all the decor that I will be going through and figuring out what I'm gonna be using to decorate. I start with my fireplace, and then I move on to my dresser because those two are the biggest items I feel, and I tend to struggle with those the most, so I'd like to get them set up first before I move on to my other areas. I always play around with my decor until I reach the satisfying part. Unfortunately for this one, I struggled with a couple of them, especially my dresser. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to be revisiting this dresser later, maybe even once the stores open and get a couple new things for it. If you watched my Christmas decor, bedroom decor, you saw that I added a garland on top of this, and I love that look. So I had this small garland from Dollarama, and I decided to add it. Now I am thinking that I might head out once I go to Dollarama, because they are open, to buy another one just to add so it goes across instead of hanging down. But not heading out anytime soon, so that's gonna be a while. It might just have to stay this way for now. I have made DIY this wreath, a succulent wreath, recently. I will have all the links down in the description box so that you can see, and I love the way it looks on my window here. It adds that punch of a green color. I finished my cleaning and decorating with giving the room a really good vacuuming. It really needed it. The dogs do sleep in this room, so regular vacuuming is absolutely necessary. In a heartbeat, I know I'll take a chance, take a chance. When you see me go, when you see me through the windows, in the morning I can't be sure at all that you'd be home. It better be right, it better be good, it better be. You better be fine, I'm begging, please. Wait.
So I am all done. It feels very fresh in here. I love the way it turned out. There's a couple tweaks that need to be done that I'm still working on, but with limited resources because everything's shut down, I unfortunately can't go and get anything new. So I just pretty much shopped my home and used all the pieces that I already had at home. One of the pieces that I feel like it needs more stuff is this dresser. I do want to keep it simple, but as you saw, I changed it around a little bit. It wasn't working last time, and now it's still not working 100%. But I do love the wreath there, and I do like this idea of just keeping everything together for cleaning purposes. It's so much easier, and I just think it looks really good that way. I'm just not crazy about items that I have in here. And as you know, most of the stuff that I use in my decor has been either thrifted or I have DIY'd it myself. So if I have any links of DIYs or upcycles, I will link it in a description box. This is my husband's side, and just like the downstairs side table by the sofa that he sits on, he likes it nice and empty. I just gave him a little bowl so he can put his headphones or charger or empty his pockets in there. We are all loving these giant blankets that came from Home Sense. I have gotten them around, I think back in November still, and I have gotten everybody one, and then one for downstairs. So I just brought one from downstairs up here because it's winter time and it's nice to have something that you can just snuggle up for an afternoon nap without messing up your bed. I am loving the greenery. I would like to maybe go get another piece and go right across instead of drooping, but for now it is just drooping, and that actually came from Dollarama. So Dollarama is opened, so I could possibly go there. I'm just not sure whether they'll have it, and I'm trying to limit my outings to just really essential. And even though in my mind home decor is essential. I'm not sure if it really is. And I know that the questions will come. The headboard is barn board that I picked up at a place called Timeless Treasures in my town. I think it's only in my town, and I like it because they pre-treat the wood so you don't have to worry about bugs or anything like that. And then my husband just screwed it to the wall. And then the bed, he built the frame, and I need to get a new skirt. I think I say this every time I do my bedroom video, but I do need to get a skirt. But unfortunately, we have oversized bed, so a lot of the skirts aren't big enough. I was actually considering maybe getting somebody to sew me one that will fit right on there. I do love my nightstand. I think it looks so pretty. That's a book I'm reading now, book I've started reading or planning on reading. And then I have these two beds. Here I have two dogs, a 1-month-old Bernafee that weighs about, I think, close to 150. And then I have a 3-month-old Bosnian Croatian Shepherd, oops. So, and I have a 3-month-old Bosnian Croatian Shepherd. And he's gonna weigh fairly, I think around 121, it's full grown. But believe it or not, they put themselves in here and sleep together. So, and they like to be over here, or my big guy sleeps in a ensuite on a cool floor. The fireplace, I like it, but I do think that it still needs a bit more work, some tweaking. So if I update it, make sure you head over to my Instagram, because that's mostly likely where I'll post any updates that I'll do to any of my decor. And then over here is just my makeup vanity table and some pictures. That stays pretty simple. And then I added some more pictures and some candelabras over on my stand-up dresser. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. Here he is messing up my bed already. And if you're brand new to my channel, I would love it if you consider subscribing, pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.